in a nature, if you go out in nature and you ask nature, you will get an answer. If you haven't done that before, it takes a while because most people won't even dare to think of the question or conversation with nature. Then you have to talk, and you can also embrace nature. Now, what do you ask? What answers does it give? It doesn't have to be anything to do with your future or any problem, but be aware. You know, when you walk into a room of people, you say hi, and you might say, "Who are you? How are you?" When you come to a place like this, you feel that, or you think that, or you project those vibes, or you ask like physically with your voice, in whatever language you speak, and you will get something back. That's interaction.